Alright. In order to provide great guest service in the bar, there are 7 steps. If you have not seen the videos, you can go to the description box below and see all the videos. This is also available as a certificate course on academy.clarifiedbetter.com. The site is a dedicated training site for people working in hotels. As you go to the site, you can see a library with more than 60 courses and tutorials that you can study from. You will also find quizzes that can help improve your knowledge. The final steps is to ensure the guest come back. Make sure you thank the guest for the business and invite them back.
I hope to see you back on Wednesday. We have a live music performance with a renowned jazz artist.
If you have any promotions or specials, invite him to attend that. In case you have any loyalty program, do enroll them to it. Having a guest database is very important to making sure that you have repeat guest. But be careful and take permission to start sending them promotional message. When in doubt, always check with your manager. Be sincere in whatever you do and bid him a fond farewell. A fond farewell will ensure that they remember the experience and come back. Finally, do track your repeat guests' usage. If you do not have this report in your bar, make a repeat visit tracker to track if the guest is repeat. Ideally, make sure that 30 to 40% of your guests are repeat guests. Okay, so that is it. 7 steps to great service in the bar. Hope you enjoyed the series. Do remember to subscribe to our channel and look at the courses available at academy.clarifiedbetter.com. See you soon.